Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me tell you, I don't know what I would do in the kitchen without my Rorecay oven mitts and pot holder. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll tell you what I'd be doing. I would be burning my arms, burning my fingers, and using towels that shouldn't be used on hot objects. This set is so complete and does everything that I need it to do. Before I got it, I really thought, will I ever use something like this in the kitchen when I can just use a towel or an oven mitt? And I use this every day. It is perfect for grabbing soup out of the microwave, for picking up pots and pans fresh off the stove, for keeping your countertops and tabletops protected from burns, and for keeping your arms free from burns as well. I really like this gray color. It is the perfect neutral and really goes with anything. Both of the oven mitts have the silicone on both sides, so it doesn't matter which one you grab. You can use it for either hand. And they're also really easy to keep clean because you can simply wipe them off with a damp sponge or washcloth, or even throw these in the dishwasher. Both of these really have great grippers, and so you don't ever have to worry about a pan or a bowl slipping from your hands and spilling all over you or all over the floor. This really is a set that I never knew I actually needed, but now that I have it, I can't live without. You are going to just love your Rorecay oven mitts. I know that I have, and that's my point of view.